tossed up, round in it, flossing on that. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like this.
Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to catch everyone back up on what's going on. So I will be back 2018 with more videos, more DIYs, more recipes, more tutorials. So I'll be back with a lot more things for you guys to enjoy with more quality, better quality. So hey, just be looking out for me. I will be doing like 2 videos a week on my YouTube channel, and I will be doing a lot more on my Facebook page. So I do have a Facebook page. It's called Beyond Curiosity. So go ahead, go to Facebook and follow me on that page. It's called Beyond Curiosity just because that page is beyond beauty, it's beyond couponing, it's beyond a lot of things that I like to do. So I'm very crafty. I'm real hands-on with everything I do, far as my own setting spray. I make my own setting spray, my own lip scrub. So it will be a lot more on my Facebook page on Beyond Curiosity. So follow my Facebook Beyond Curiosity, you guys. So just like I said, it's a quick video. I just stopped in to let you know. Just welcome me back. Feel free to like, comment, and just subscribe to my channel, and I will do the same. I will definitely support and follow back. So thank you guys.